Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can get promo code for booking.com, and by using the promo code of booking.com you guys can get a certain percent discount off when you're trying to book something like a hotel or a travel and anything related to travel. Alright, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and click on the first option. It's going to take you to couponfollow.com. Over here at the top where it says search, you want to write BOOKING. Once you do that, it's going to show you booking.com. Click on it. All of the promo code available for booking.com is going to be shown over here. Now read which kind of coupon code you want. So let's say I want to use this coupon which says save 10% on my next stay. I want this, so I can click on show coupon code. And once I click on that, it's going to take me to booking.com over here, and the coupon code is applied. As you guys can see over here, save money 10% off, which means my coupon code is already applied. Now I can just log into my account and book a hotel or a room, and it's going to give me 10% off. Make sure to choose which type of coupon you want and use that. So hope you understand how to find booking.com's promo code. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.